Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn names of animals and their babies. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for amazing videos. D-U-C-K duck. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G duckling. C-A-T cat. K-I-T-T-E-N kitten. D-O-G dog. P-U-P-P-Y puppy. C-H-I-C-K-E-N chicken. C-H-I-C-K chick. C-O-W cow. C-A-L-F calf. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y butterfly. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R caterpillar. S-H-E-E-P sheep. L-A-M-B lamb. T-I-G-E-R tiger. C-U-B cub. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O kangaroo. J-O-E-Y joy.